Let me explain you the topic corrosion. First of all, see the definition of corrosion: the slow destruction of a metal or an alloy by chemical action is called corrosion. Means metal slowly get destroyed by the action of chemicals. Here another word, rusting. रस्टिंग क्या होता है? जैसे आयरन को क्रोजन होता है, आयरन को जंग लगता है, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड रस्टिंग. अदर देन आयरन अदर मेटल्स आर देयर लाइक मैग्नीशियम, अलुमिनियम, जिंक, टिन एंड कॉपर ऑल्सो करोड. इनको भी क्रोजन होता है. एंड हेयर क्रोजन ऑफ कॉपर. ओके, कॉपर में भी यू नो दैट वी आर यूजिंग यूटेंसिल इन द किचन. यहाँ पे जैसे तांबा जिसको बोलते हैं कि 1 or 2 utensil we are having in the kitchen, and how it get rusted if it is kept in the open air, in the moist air, and it form green deposit. कॉपर को जो रस्टिंग होती है उनके ऊपर ग्रीन डिपॉजिट होता है. यू कैन अंडरलाइन दिस ग्रीन डिपॉजिट. एंड हेयर आर द फैक्टर्स दैट एड corrosions. मीन्स what are the factors that increase the rate of corrosion? अब जो factors हैं उसमें जो first factor है that is the presence of impurities in the metal. If the metal is pure, it will not corrode, but if it is having the impurities, for example, pure metal kept in the isolation do not corrode. If pure metal pure है, isolation means you are keeping that metal separately away from moisture, it will not corrode. The iron pillar at Delhi standing in the open air has not corroded for centuries because it is made up of pure iron. Underline this, iron pillar at Delhi. This is standing in the open air but it is not corroded. तो रीज़न क्या है? आयरन जो पिलर है उसको क्यों नहीं corrosion हुआ? क्या रीज़न है? It is made up of pure iron. Second point है that increase the rate of corrosion, that is the presence of moisture. And the third point is presence of acid forming gases. First of all, you must know what are the acid forming gases. Acid forming means जो gases acid form करती हैं by the contact of water. That is कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, सल्फर डाइऑक्साइड, हाइड्रोजन सल्फाइड, ये सारी एसिड फॉर्मिंग गैसेज है. बिकॉज व्हेन दे रिएक्ट विद मॉइस्चर इट विद द केमिकल एक्शन ऑन मेटल इट corrode. Clear? Then the presence of salts also facilitate means increase the rate of corrosion. Here evidence is given. The first is the metal used in ships corrode easily. ship में भी तो metal use होता है and ship corrode easily. Okay, and especially corrosion is more observed at greater rate. It is observed in the coastal areas or place which are near to the sea rather than the places which are far away from sea. So this is all about corrosion. Okay, and learn all these factors along with the definition of corrosion.